In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a seller account on Amazon. If you've been considering making your products available to millions of customers online, Amazon offers a fantastic platform to do just that. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to becoming an Amazon seller. First things first, you'll need to visit Amazon Seller Central. This is the dedicated portal for setting up and managing your seller account. You can access it by going to sell.amazon.com. Once you're there, you'll notice that Amazon offers two distinct selling plans, the professional plan and the individual plan. The plan you choose will depend largely on how many products you plan to sell monthly. The professional plan carries a monthly subscription fee but offers additional features, making it worthwhile if you're planning on selling more than 40 items a month. If you're just starting and expect lower sales volume, you might prefer the individual plan, which charges a small fee per item sold. Once you've selected the plan that best suits your needs, the next step is to provide your business information. This will include your legal business name, address, and any other relevant details that establish your business identity. If you're an individual seller, this might simply be your name and home address, whereas a larger business may need to include more comprehensive details. After inputting your business information, you'll be prompted to enter your seller information. This part is crucial as it includes the bank details that Amazon will use to deposit your earnings. It's important to take extra care here and double-check the accuracy of this information to avoid any issues with receiving payments. Following that, you'll need to provide your billing information. This is the payment method Amazon will use to charge any applicable fees, such as for the professional plan subscription or per item fees if you opted for the individual plan. Make sure your payment method is active and reliable. Finally, before you can proceed, Amazon requires identity verification. This step is essential in maintaining the security and trustworthiness of the platform. You may be asked to upload a form of identification, like a passport or driver's license, as well as providing any additional documentation Amazon requires to verify your identity. Be prepared for Amazon to take a few days to complete this verification process, so patience is key. And there you have it, everything you need to get started with your Amazon seller account. Remember, careful preparation and accurate information are the keys to a smooth setup process. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!